What's up, YouTube? My name is Chris Chevier, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix some issues that I have been having with the SteelSeries Arctis 7 headset. The issue I'm having is I have Discord set to this new certified Arctis 7 channel that is apparently, you only see this certified thing when you update the firmware for your Arctis 7. This is the original Arctis 7 headset. This will not work on the new Arctis 7 Plus. The new Arctis 7 Plus sucks. I suggest not buying that headset. If you want a Arctis 7 headset, buy the original version. You can still find them on eBay, brand new. That's what I did. But this is my second pair of these headphones, and before I've had this headphone, I've had these headphones since like 2018, 2019, and I've always only had like the Arctis 7 game, and then it would say Arctis 7 chat here in Discord. But recently they upgraded the firmware, and you now need to like have this program open, and you need to like set all your sonar settings just to like somewhat get it working. But then Discord screws everything up by having this certified Arctis 7 channel. So when I would set it to this Arctis 7 certified channel, and I have Windows set to my game channel, I would be playing a game, and then I would get a call in Discord, and as soon as I join that call, all of a sudden my game channel is just gone. There's no audio from my game channel. And what's weird is when I'm streaming, the stream can still pick up the game channel, but my headset doesn't for some reason. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that, and I'm also going to show you guys like that you don't need this SteelSeries GG software whatsoever. We're actually going to completely remove that, and that's going to give us back our two channels that we want, and it will work with Discord. So hope that wasn't too confusing, but let's get started. First, we're going to remove the SteelSeries application. So we're going to hit our Windows key, and it's going to go to the search thing, and we're going to type in we're going to type in add or remove programs. We're going to open that up. We got add or remove programs. We're going to go to SteelSeries GG. We're going to uninstall. We're going to wait for that to uninstall. All right, so once that's finished uninstalling, we're going to hit finish. We're going to close out of that. And as you can see up here, it still says Arctis 7 certified in Discord, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the back of our computer. We're going to unplug the dongle from whatever port it's plugged in, and then we're going to plug it into a USB 3.0 slot, which is your blue slots on the back of your motherboard. It should be blue, but if you don't see a blue one, check your motherboard manual, figure out which USB 3.0 or which USB headers are the 3.0 header, plug it into one of those. And if it was already plugged into one of those, you need to swap it with a different USB port. So I'm going to do that now. So when I did that, you can see up here the output device has changed. And you'll hear a little beep in your headphones. And boom, now you can see. We'll hit don't switch for now. But there we go. Now there's no certified channel. Now all you see is Arctis 7 game and Arctis 7 chat. So we're going to set it to Arctis 7 chat. And we have Windows set to Arctis 7 game. I can hear. And then let's say I play some music. I'll just play something. So now I am in a call, and I can hear my game channel, and also Discord no longer has the certified channel. And in Windows, you no longer have all those bull crap sonar channels as well. So now you just have your two original channels, and your chat mix actually works again. whereas before it wouldn't work. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If this did help you, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe, and check me out on Twitch. So thank you guys, and bye-bye.